Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of pigeons and their surprising approach to decision-making. These urban dwellers are not just adapting to ever-changing cityscapes, but their behavior is also reflecting a unique pattern, living on the edge of chaos. A recent study has shown that pigeons prefer to keep their decisions unpredictable, a strategy that might offer them an evolutionary advantage. The idea of how creatures learn isn't new. It dates back to a principle proposed by Edward Thorndike in 1898, known as the law of effect. This principle suggests that behaviors leading to rewards are likely to be repeated. However, while there's been plenty of research on how rewards increase the frequency of behaviors, less attention has been given to how they influence behavioral consistency. That's where the pigeons of the University of Iowa come into play, having been the subjects of learning studies for over 50 years. Researchers conducted an experiment involving a series of 5 colored buttons. The pigeons were free to peck any button in any sequence, but they needed to peck 5 times to earn a reward. According to previous theories, it was expected that the pigeons would settle into a consistent pecking pattern to secure their prize. Surprisingly, the results defied expectations. The pigeons continued to vary their pecking patterns instead of sticking to a routine. Edward Wasserman, one of the researchers, noted that pigeons seem resistant to locking into a fixed pattern. This tendency to embrace variability might be an evolutionary trait that helps them navigate the challenges of a dynamic environment. The researchers believe that this inclination towards diversity could be beneficial for adapting to new challenges, potentially offering insights into whether this phenomenon is common across other animal species and how the brain makes behavioral decisions during learning. Professor Aaron Blaisdell from the University of California, who wasn't involved in the study, mentioned that while the findings weren't entirely surprising, they raised numerous questions about the neural mechanisms that scientists could explore in the future. Studying pigeon behavior and decision-making offers a starting point for a deeper understanding of how living creatures deal with changing environments. As pigeons remain committed to diversity, it compels us to question how the brain functions and learns in unstable conditions. Clearly, pigeons provide a unique model for understanding how rewards influence behaviors, with broad implications for learning in other living beings. Thanks for watching Science Hub. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing science stories.